In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram notification not updating, not working or not refreshing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Check Instagram notification setting. Open Instagram apps, tap on profile picture, tap on horizontal line or 3 line, tap on notification, then turn on all notification. Turn on post, stories, comments, follower message, call notification is on. Step 2. Open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search Instagram. Tap on notification, then turn on notification setting. Step 3. Turn off do not disturb mode or force mode. Step 4. Open Play Store and update your Instagram app's latest version. From here, you make sure your Instagram apps is updated. If your Instagram apps is not updated, then update your Instagram apps. It helps to fix Instagram notification not updating, not showing or not working problem. Step 5. Open your phone setting, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. Reset your Wi-Fi or internet connection properly. Follow all of steps to fix Instagram notification not updating, not showing or not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.